So I can give you guys suggestions. Do you want to give Polly a treat? I'm gonna give Polly a little tomato. She loves tomatoes. She loves tomato. It's her favorite food. But she's also very like skittish. Polly, it's okay. I have a treat for you. Do you want? This is Polly Pocket. You guys might not recognize her. She was an ambassador. Oh. Wow. Maybe sorry. Here you go. Here, no, there's another one. No, Polly, look. Polly, look. This is a silky bantam. We got her to add to our flock, thinking that we could, and then she never got bigger. This is like her full size. So she lived up at my house with me, and now we're working on transitioning her into our chicken coop. We might do like some sort of townhouse condo chicken coop setup, so Polly can live out there as well. Stay tuned. Wow! Oh my god! She's an athlete. Okay. Let's do the chins and the rats right now. I'm gonna take this vest off, actually. She's taking flight. Oh, I have so much stuff in my pockets. All right, let's do the chins and rats. These are for the chins. You guys are gonna have to watch because it's gonna happen really fast. Chins? For you. One treat. Moomin, for you. We'll do 2 treats for them because they eat them so fast. They're sleepy. They like carrots. Do chins get outside playtime? Yeah, they got let out this morning. They get let out every day. Oh no. She's gonna get out. Can you guys, maybe I can get him to the top. Sorry. Do you guys wanna come up here for another treat? Snark, a treat for you. It's a carrot. Moomin. No, I just gave you one, you ate it already. She's like, I'm here. Okay, we gotta go down there for Moomin and hope that he doesn't get out. Okay, stay. Thank you. People pug, wow.
Night shell resubbed for 16 months.
Do you see him? Moomin, don't leave. Snork, don't. Okay. 18. Let's do the rats. Hello, Polly. I see a little rat.
$03.85 to charity.
Cheerio. Treatathon.
Morafari donated $5 to charity.
Cheerio. Cheerio. Oh. Delicious. Polly, where's Nilla? Where's other little rat? Nilla? Okay, well Chips is in there. Here, I'll let you ASMR with her.
MWP donated $5 to charity.
Nilla, over here. For you. Happy treatathon. Are you guys getting good at ASMR right now? In there? I can't really hear it. Okay, I'm gonna take the mic back now. Hello, Chips. Can I take it back? Actually, they get 2 more treats, I forgot. Chat, don't let them out. Chips, this is also for you. Happy treat-a-thon. Mila, this is for you as well. It's dried carrot. Chips and Mila were gonna be snake food. We got them to teach people about rodenticide use. When you use rat poison, a lot of times you can be killing birds that are feeding on those rats as well. And people don't think about that when they use rat poison. Did you hear that? Chips ahoy! Yeah, when you use rat poison, the animals that feed on that rat, like owls and hawks and other birds of prey, they also get sick from rat poison.
To charity.
Thank you for the 50. So you want to try to avoid rat poison. Same thing with pesticides. You apply chemicals to bugs, then lizards and birds and other stuff that eat those bugs get sick too. All right. Do all the goats like Gatorade? No, only Beetle and Kylie. Wait, there's goats up here. Should I bring a Gatorade? Let's do that, just because I'm already over here. Where does Winnie run off to when she gets let out? She goes and grazes by the training center usually. There's grass there. Wait, and all these goat treats. No, we'll do that after. Okay. Do Gatorade first. All right, Gatorade. Treat time. Is it gonna be you, Beetle? How did you guys get on this side of the fence?
Brot donated $5 to charity.
Come on. Make this easier. Gatorade treat. Here you go.
Matthew Ormat donated $50 to charity.
All right, B. I think that's it. Okay. That is all. Thank you for participating in the treat-a-thon.